Are you looking for a dessert that's incredibly delicious, super unique, and probably something that you've never heard of before? Look no further because today we're going to be making a New Mexican classic, natillas. Let's go. To start things off, we're going to want to separate 4 egg yolks from the whites. So just grab one of your eggs in 3 bowls, one for the shells, one for the yolks, and one for the whites. We're just going to crack our egg on a hard flat surface, right into one of our hands. I burnt my finger a couple days ago, so it's a little bit challenging. And perfect. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk to our 4 egg yolks. Once those are thoroughly combined, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of organic flour and whisk that up too. We're going to get our whites and we're going to turn them into a meringue. So get yourself a stand mixer and add your whites in there. And then a ½ teaspoon of cream of tartar. And we're just going to turn that on until it gets stiff peaks. So this whole thing should take about 5 to 7 minutes to make this. Probably like a speed 2 or 3. And you'll know it's stiff peaks when you can get a whisk in there. See that mountain top right there holding up stiff? That's how you know it's ready. So we're just going to take this and put this in the fridge. And we're going to grab a lemon and an orange and a potato peeler. And we're just going to apply a little pressure, go with the curvature of the fruit, and get some nice long strips. Without further ado, let's get cooking. To a medium-sized pot, we're going to add 4 cups of organic milk, 1 cup of organic sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can use vanilla extract or vanilla bean also. We're going to turn the flame to a medium-low heat and whisk all those ingredients together. To that, we're going to add our zest from earlier and a sprig of thyme. We're going to add our egg, flour, and milk mixture from earlier and stir continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to kill the heat. We're going to check the thickness of it. If it's nappe, it's ready. Alright, so now that our mixture is all hot and ready, we're going to strain it into a separate bowl. And this is just going to get any of the lumps out. It's going to help with the texture and consistency. We're going to pour our silky hot custard on top of all of our egg whites in a circular motion. Using our spatula, we're going to fold this in for about 1.5 minutes. Let's sit for 30 minutes before using a ladle to serve into a dish. There we have it, everybody. New Mexican natillas right at home. Now I garnished it with a little bit of ground cinnamon right on top. Let's dig in. It's so airy, so creamy, so delicious. I could eat this all day. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button down below. Let's go.